Want to capture amazing aerial shots, but worried about drone regulations? We've tested the most popular lightweight drones and selected 5 incredible models under 250 grams that don't require registration in most countries. From beginner-friendly to professional-grade options, we've compared flight time, camera quality, and smart features to find the perfect drone for your needs. Each model you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you're looking for, so I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. The Potensic 4K GPS drone really caught my attention in the sub-TWO 150 gram category. At TWO 149 grams, you can skip all that hassle. I love how they included a travel bag. It's actually come in handy more times than I expected. The camera setup is pretty impressive for this price point. You're getting a 12-megapixel sensor that shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, and the 3-axis brushless gimbal makes it special. I've tested it on windy days, and the footage stays remarkably steady. If you've ever dealt with shaky drone footage, you'll appreciate how much of a game changer this is. Now, I should mention something that bugged me a bit. The manual's font size is tiny, but honestly, once you get past the initial setup, you'll barely need it. The drone basically flies itself with features like auto return to home, and the global positioning system lock is really reliable. I've seen complete beginners pick it up in minutes. The battery situation is where this drone really shines. You get 3 batteries in the box, and each one gives you about 30 minutes of flight time. That's huge if you're out shooting all day. The charging hub is pretty clever too. It gets all 3 batteries ready in just over an hour. I've missed way fewer shots because of this setup. The range on this thing surprised me. With the PicSync 3.0 system, you can fly up to 6 kilometers out. The video feed stays clear even at longer distances, which is crucial for getting those epic landscape shots. There is one small quirk. The controller uses a proprietary universal serial bus cable. Not a deal breaker, but worth keeping in mind. What makes up for it are the smart features like visual tracking and quick shots. These aren't just gimmicks. They're actually useful for getting those smooth cinematic shots that make your videos look professional. For what you're getting, the camera quality, flight time, and smart features, the Potensic offers serious value. It's the kind of drone that grows with you as you learn, and it won't weigh down your backpack or your wallet. I've put the current price and all the specs in the description below, if you want to check it out. Let me introduce you to the DJI Drone Camera 4K GPS Brushless, a standout in the under 250 gram category. If you've ever been frustrated by shaky drone footage, this model might just be your solution. It features a 4,000 pixel anti-shake camera that genuinely enhances video stability. The combination of a wide-angle lens and vibration reduction technology is impressive, especially noticeable in the sweeping landscape shots. One of the standout features of this drone is its user-friendly flying experience. The global positioning system capabilities aren't just marketing fluff, they're functioning and reliable. If you've ever worried about losing your drone, the auto-return feature is a lifesaver, activating when the signal weakens or the battery runs low. This feature has been a real asset during my tests. However, let's address a minor hiccup. The range can be limited in urban environments. Between buildings, you might not achieve the full advertised range, but in open areas, it's a different story. The 5th generation wireless fidelity connection remains robust up to about 300 meters, and under optimal conditions, you can extend it to 500 meters. A delightful surprise is the inclusion of TEDO batteries, providing around 45 minutes of total flight time. This is ample for capturing extensive footage. Plus, being under 250 grams means you can skip the Federal Aviation Administration registration process, just unpack and start flying. A quick note, you'll need to purchase a micro-secure digital card separately. While it would have been nice to have one included, this allows you to choose your preferred storage capacity. The controls might take a little getting used to, but they become intuitive after a few flights. For the price, this drone offers more than you'd expect. The video quality is excellent, it's dependable in the air, and it's accessible for beginners, while offering features that seasoned pilots will appreciate. If you're interested in checking out the current price and detailed specifications, I've included a link in the description below. Let's dive into the DJI Mini Drone TWOC, a top pick for those new to the world of drones. After spending several weeks with it, I can confidently say it's perfect for beginners. The convenience of its lightweight design means you can easily slip it into your backpack and head out for an adventure. Weighing under 250 grams, it spares you the hassle of Federal Aviation Administration registration, which can be a real headache for newcomers dealing with larger drones. One of the standout features is its impressive battery life. With around 31 minutes of flight time per charge, this drone offers more airtime than you'd expect for its size. I opted for the combo package, which includes TW additional batteries, and it truly transforms your flying experience. You can enjoy an entire afternoon of filming without the constant worry of running out of juice. The camera setup is incredibly intuitive. The DJI Fly app provides pre-designed shooting templates that make capturing stunning footage a breeze, even for first-timers. However, remember to purchase a micro SD card separately. I learned this the hard way on my initial flight. A pleasant surprise is the drone's range. Thanks to OcuSync technology, you can fly up to 10 kilometers away, though I rarely push it to the limit. It's reassuring to know you have that extra reach if needed. Plus, it handles windy conditions remarkably well, maintaining stability in gusts up to 38 kilometers per hour. On the downside, the package doesn't include a charger plug, which can be a bit inconvenient. However, using a phone charger works just fine. The controls are straightforward, and even a friend with no pre-order drone experience managed to get the hang of it quickly. The return-to-home feature is a lifesaver, especially when you're just starting out. Overall, the DJI Mini TWOSE offers a fantastic balance of portability, flight duration, and camera quality. It's an excellent choice for those entering the drone scene, or anyone seeking a dependable device without breaking the bank. I've included a link to the best deal I found in the description below, along with some sample footage I captured with it. If you're in the market for a drone that sidesteps the Federal Aviation Administration registration process, the Potensic GPS drone with a 4K camera is a compelling option. Weighing just under TWO 149 grams, it's perfect for those spontaneous filming adventures. Simply toss it in your bag, and you're ready to capture stunning footage without any bureaucratic hurdles. The camera is a standout feature, especially at this price. Equipped with a Sony complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, it delivers 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second. The Shake Vanish technology is a game-changer, ensuring your videos remain stable, particularly on calm days. The 180-degree field of view offers a sweeping perspective, ideal for breathtaking landscape shots. However, it's worth noting that the absence of a 3-axis gimbal can lead to some instability in windy conditions. But don't let that deter you. The GPS auto-return function is exceptionally reliable. During my tests, even when I deliberately lost signal by moving behind obstacles, the drone returned effortlessly. What truly impressed me was the drone's flight performance. The brushless motors are not only quiet but also efficient, handling wind with ease. For beginners, the Surgefly control system is intuitive, allowing you to switch between video mode for smooth captures and sport mode for a thrilling experience, reaching speeds up to 16 meters per second. Battery life is another highlight. With TWO batteries included, you get about 62 minutes of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to capture the perfect shots without frequent battery swaps. While the Follow Me feature could be smoother, the waypoint and circle flight modes are excellent for achieving cinematic footage. The user-friendly design extends to simple firmware updates and versatile adapter cables compatible with MOS devices. In summary, the Potensic drone offers exceptional value for its price. It's an excellent choice for those new to drone photography, or anyone seeking a reliable device for casual flying. For more details on pricing and specifications, check the link in the description. If you're looking to dive into drone photography without the hassle of Federal Aviation Administration registration, the Ruco 4K Mini Drone camera is a fantastic option. Weighing in at under 250 grams, this drone is incredibly portable, making it easy to carry along on any adventure. The standout feature of this drone is its camera. With 4,000 kilopixels photo capabilities at 4,986 by 3,072 pixels and 2,700 kilopixels video quality, it offers impressive visuals for its price range. The 980-degree tilt feature provides flexibility in capturing diverse angles. However, it's worth noting that windy conditions might introduce some shakiness in your footage. While not a major issue, it's something to consider if you plan to shoot extensive video content. One of the most appealing aspects of the Ruco 4K Mini is its flight time. With TW batteries included, you get about 60 minutes of airtime, which is quite rare in this price bracket. This means more time in the sky, and less time waiting for batteries to recharge. The brushless motor ensures stable flights, whether you're indoors or outdoors. For those new to drones, the Ruco 4K Mini is incredibly user-friendly. Features like one-tap takeoff and landing make it accessible, and the global positioning system functionalities, including Follow Me mode, are reliable. The automatic return home feature is particularly reassuring, especially if you tend to push the drone's range limits. An often overlooked benefit is Ruko's customer support, which is quite responsive. They offer a 30-day return policy and a 90-day guarantee, providing peace of mind. Plus, the inclusion of a durable carrying case is a thoughtful addition. In summary, the Ruko 4K Mini Drone camera is an excellent choice for those eager to explore drone photography without a hefty price tag. It strikes a perfect balance between features and affordability. For more details and the latest pricing, check the link in the description.